Useful techniques for affiliate marketing to boost your bottom line. If it's affiliate marketing that you want to learn about, then you have come to the right place. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it's sometimes the little tips that you know that contributes to your success. Experts and newcomers alike can appreciate any and all tips that come their way, so dive in and digest these useful tips. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the #1 rule for affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Don't expect immediate results. While some products will immediately start bringing in sales, others take time. Your return readers will help to build your sales gradually, and this in turn brings you the money from the company you work for. This isn't an instant turnaround, but patience will help it pay off in the end. Remember, the more you learn about affiliate marketing, the more potential success you can achieve. You can use and apply the tips you learned from this video to other tips you have learned throughout your affiliate marketing endeavors. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.